welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Destiny and I go by Dearstone on my social media. I'm gonna do my hair today. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Probably do 3 hours for the first half of my day. It's what, 11 o'clock here? Yeah, I'm not gonna waste any time with it. I'm just gonna show you guys the style that I want to do. So let's get into it. I kind of already tried or attempted to do a hairstyle that I saw from a previous creator. I will tag her to credit because this is where I saw her hair tutorial, but the hair that she used, I was like, oh my gosh, like why didn't I think of that? It's so silky and smooth. So when I went to the hair store to get the type of hair that she said that she used, it was different, and I was so mad when I got it, and I was like, why is it not silky like I seen in her video? The hairstyle I'm going to try today is Tinsel Goddess braids. There's so many amazing protective hairstyles and I want to make sure I get the name right, but comment below if I don't get the name right and you can correct me. But from my understanding, like long flowy hair and body wave hair with braids is goddess braids or goddess locks or goddess passion twist, however you want to put it with the braid, like however. I will be crocheted of what I'm doing from my hair because I do not know how to braid from the scalp. All right, y'all. Okay, I saw Tinsel box braids on TikTok. I just saw it on my For You page and I was like, that is so pretty. I ordered some Tinsel hair from Amazon and there's so many different colors. There's blue, there's a rainbow one, green, pink, purple. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna like, you know, play around with it when I add the tinsels. I want to add the tinsels flowy with the hair, and that's my plan. I got the Bobby Boss body wave. It's a 28 inch. I got these off of Amazon. I got a 5-pack and I think it was about $27, but this was not in my local beauty supply stores. The brand Bobby Boss braid was for ocean wave, and that's what I did with my hair last time, and it was very frizzy, very stretchy. This hair is body wave. I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna part my hair. I don't even have a mirror in front of me because I usually do my hair in the bathroom. I get tired of doing my videos in the bathroom. I feel like it gets hot in my bathroom. I've been doing my hair for so long, and especially when it comes to doing the back, I literally do not care what the bottom looks like. They're just boxes at the end of the day, and they're gonna be covered at the end of the day. In the back, I do like to make bigger pieces because, like I said, ain't nobody gonna see it. I had to pause, or the video was still going, so I was like, I'm making a YouTube video right now, but it's okay, girl. You can go ahead and talk to me while I make a YouTube video. Okay. Look at how pretty this hair is. So pretty, and it matches my hair. I can't wait. That's how long the hair is, so you just take by the middle. I'm gonna show you how I'm doing it from the back, and then I will show you guys an up close later on when I'm almost done finishing my hair, because who wants to sit here and watch a 20 or 6-hour video how to do hair? I don't. So the rubber band's right here, so I'll put it under like that. There's that hook that goes up and down. You're gonna want to leave the latch down. Okay, leave the latch down. So go in the mirror, you'll take the middle part of the hair. I just latch on the hair where that loopy part is, and then that's where I close the latch. Boom. So the hair is locked in, and I'm gonna pull this hair through. Boom. You unhook this. You can just like kind of twist your arm out. I take this loop that I have, grab the rest of the hair. So it's literally like just slid in underneath my hair and the rubber band. And I just grab the loose hair and pull it through that loop, and it ties on its own. It'll tie where the rubber band is and attach to your hair. So I like to pull my hair and this hair at the same time to kind of make it tight. And that's how you crochet on some hair. But this is the easiest way to braid if you don't know how to braid like me. If you're struggling how to braid, this is the most simplest, easy way. Some Gorilla Glue. I slick this together because it's easier. This will make your real hair stay together, and plus with the hair you're gonna braid. So you're basically treating the hair you put in and your real hair like it's the same, okay? Think Rapunzel, think you grew this overnight. All you're doing is just splitting your hair in 3 sections. It doesn't have to be perfect, just braid how you regularly would braid any other time. And yeah, like just braid. And even like sometimes when I don't put enough edge control on my real hair, my real hair will stick out. I don't be caring, because you know what I do? I slick that shit right down and I keep braiding. No one's gonna be examining and analyzing your hair and what you missed, unless you were really that obsessed and are a hairstylist or something, then I guess. But other than that, we just want the full look to come out looking good. I'll come back when I'm adding the tinsel. I don't know how I'm gonna add the tinsel. I don't know if I want to add the tinsel while I'm braiding. I don't know. I still need to figure that part out. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is an important part too. Once you've reached the end to where your hair is braided, it takes some nail glue, okay? Nail glue. If you braided past your hair, you're going to glue the end of this braid. Not your hair, okay? Make sure your hair is like way up here, or remember where your hair ends, because you don't want to be gluing your hair. This basically keeps your hair in place. It's a cutoff point to where now like the rest of the hair is flowy. And then there it is. I'll see you guys later. I am back after literally the whole day. I have 2 pieces left to do, and this is where I'm going to show you guys up close since my hair is almost done. But look at how pretty it came out. I put some tinsels in here. That's a little bit, but I just thought what looked better was putting the tinsels to flow with the curly hair instead of just putting it in my braids. I did not have time for that. I had to take a break for one of the hours and then another of the hours. So there was 2 hours, like separate times, where I could not work on my hair, or at least I attempted. And I'm gonna add more curly hair to my braids instead of it all being down here, because I want all of my hair to look full and fluffy with the body wave curls. I'm gonna stick it into the braid, leave it hanging like that, like I always do. I always just leave it hanging. Take the body wave hair, and I'm gonna take a small piece. So you attach it in there, and then you close the latch, and you're gonna pull the hair through the braid like this hair, and do the same thing that I've been doing with this whole tutorial, and then tighten it like that. Adding them, you don't want big pieces to where like you're forced to glue it, and you don't want that with your real hair being up top or however long your hair reaches. And also with tying it down, if the piece of hair is too large, then it won't stay tight. So you want to kind of have a thin one. I don't want a lot of them in my hair, only because they're so bright and sparkly that I feel like it's not necessary to have so much of them. So satisfied with myself. Sometimes you can try new hairstyles and it don't come out the way that you thought it would come out, but look at back. This is what the back looks like. Totality, this look took a long time. A, I braid very slow. B, I was doing stuff during the day. 8, close to 9 hours. But like I said, that's only because I had 2 hours taken away from me. But if you're a fast braider, man, like you got this. This is so pretty. This is the Tinsel Goddess Box braids look. We'll be on the lookout for a model vlog that I'm gonna do. Another one. I don't know what type of idea I'm gonna put together, but I hope that it'll be pretty cool and pretty fun. So I want to do more of those, and you guys can check out my other ones if you have no idea what they look like. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, comment, share. Hope to catch you guys soon. Thanks for watching.